let's say that we wanted to find the gradient of two parallel lines. So this is my y-axis. This is my x-axis. And our two lines, so line 1 and line 2. If line 1 is parallel to line 2, then, as you may have already guessed, the gradient of the line 1 must equal the gradient of line 2. I could have drawn the M a little bit better, but yeah. And the interesting thing about parallel lines is that this is the only case where lines never intersect. They have the same gradient and they will never meet. If you imagine these lines going forever. The thing that is different is they have a different y-intercept. For example, my line 1 has equation y equals, let's say, 2x plus 1. Then we know line 2 will have gradient 2 as well. And let's say the y-intercept below the x-axis, and let's say we can choose -1. Now for perpendicular lines. Here is my line 1. And the perpendicular line to line 1 is line 2. Show that's perpendicular by drawing this shape. If my line 1 is perpendicular to line 2, then gradient of line 1 is, well, we can notice that the line is perpendicular, so we have line 1 going in this direction. It's from the bottom left to the top right, and that is a positive gradient, whereas the direction of line 2 is the opposite, so it's the top left to the bottom right, and remember that's negative gradient, and so the relation of direction of these gradients will be opposite. It will always be negative, so -1 times, if it's perpendicular, this line, if it's steep, then this one will be quite flat in comparison. And the relation between slope is that they are inverse of each other. Which means it's simply just 1 divided by the other gradient. M1, gradient of line 1, is equal to -1 times the reciprocal of line 2's gradient. So this is called the reciprocal. And likewise, M2 will equal -1 over M1. As an example, line 2, our gradient is -1/2. Line 1, I should say. So let's say the gradient of line 1 is 2. So it's quite steep and it's in the positive direction. And we know that line 2 gradient will be -1 over M1, which is 2. The gradient for line 2 will be -1/2. If you found this quick overview helpful, please subscribe and share to anyone who may benefit from this. If you want to watch another related video on lines, you can click here. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.